The reality is my experience and all the mistakes I made along the way help other business owners. I want them to not make the mistakes that I made to make their business successful.
Huntington resident Rob Basso is passionate about helping small businesses navigate their way to success.
I spent 15 years running my own successful business. I've invested in lots of other businesses. My background was in education, so it's not surprising to me that I went back to my roots to try to help other people.
The enterprising businessman is the author of The Everyday Entrepreneur.
I basically interviewed about 10 very successful entrepreneurs, and what I found was whether you were a huge successful entrepreneur or a completely unknown entrepreneur, you generally had a lot of similar qualities. And my goal was to try to talk to all these individuals, take the best pieces of their stories, and tell them to the world.
Basso says all of these entrepreneurs embody the lessons of dreaming big and persevering.
I created little bits and tips called Entrepreneurial Insights, where people can take away in a very short period of time things that they need to do to be successful in their own business.
The 39-year-old Hofstra University graduate could have used a guidebook like the one he created when he started out.
When I was in college, I wrapped resumes in sandwiches that I actually made at a deli. I got 5 job interviews my senior year, and then I fell into this industry by accident because somebody took a liking to me.
Basso started his career working for a payroll service company and in 1996 decided to start his own. Advantage Payroll Services was born in a storage room and rented office space in Syosset, financed with $20,000 and a loan.
My business partner lent the business over $100,000 in a 3-year period, and without that financial help, as a 23-year-old kid, there's no way I would have got my business off the ground. Financing is really important.
In building his company, Basso networked with a variety of local organizations like the Long Island Association, Hauppauge Industrial Association, and the Advancement of Commerce, Industry, and Technology.
And I basically faked it till I could actually make it on my own, and I took a lot of advice from a lot of successful people that I met throughout Long Island, and I attended lots of business functions. You need to be in these events if you're going to be a solid business person in the region.
The company can handle simple payroll services for a small company